We got 2 medium-sized carrot and 1 medium-sized beetroot. Blender, that's the first. Some beetroot, 1 medium-sized beetroot. Carrot. Yeah, we got some ginger, which we're gonna put inside of it. So we're gonna put 2 medium-sized carrot, 1 beetroot. Now we're gonna put some ginger. I'm gonna put some lime inside of it, or you can use lemon. It's up to you. It's whatever you like to use. I'm gonna put roughly about 1.25 cups water inside of it to free up the blender. Now put a pinch of apple cider vinegar in it. You don't have to, that's option. All right, this is the way it look. So right now we're going to make some nice and yeah, blend it and strain it and see how this look. All right, guys, a good energy. All right, stay tuned in. But I'm gonna run my juice through. Good vibes, that's all. Just gonna simple pour it off like this. All right, maybe everything not gonna go into it.